Here's a certified 2020 Kia Soul. With its unique styling, exhilarating performance, and precision handling, the Kia Soul has the power to turn heads and the capability to stir the imagination. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. External memory control, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, USB port, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, pearl coat paint, gas pressurized shocks, and streaming audio. Kelley Blue Book praises its modern and expressive exterior, matched by a well-appointed interior offering features not found on sub-midsize and near-luxury models. Reliability, quality, Kia. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Sunset Kia of Venice. Stop in and see us today at 1179 US 41 Bypass South in Venice, Florida.